Hello and welcome to this lesson, Essential Trading Resources, Building Your Bitcoin Knowledge Arsenal. Throughout my trading journey, I found that having access to the right resources can dramatically accelerate your learning and development as a trader. While this course provides a comprehensive foundation for Bitcoin trading, the market constantly evolves, requiring continuous learning and adaptation. I've carefully curated this list of resources that I personally use and recommend to stay informed and improve trading performance. Let's review first resource, which is my personal website and blog, available at sergeybuzz.com. On this and the following slides, you can see the screenshots of this and each of the following resources. It is my personal hub for trading insights and market analysis, which serves as a living extension of this course. Here, I regularly publish in-depth articles covering trading, investing, cryptocurrencies, and technical analysis. The blog features detailed exploration of trading platform capabilities, PineScript programming tutorials, and introductions to the new technical indicators and trading strategies. I also share my timely updates about my latest digital products, including new indicators, strategies, and educational resources. The site has become a community where traders can find both theoretical knowledge and practical trading applications. Next resource is Digital Product Store, which is available at sergeybuzz.com/store. Think of this as your personal trading toolbox, a carefully curated collection of resources I've developed over years of market experience. The store offers a wide range of digital products, often at significant discounts, including specialized PineScript indicators, custom trading strategies, comprehensive trading guides. Each product is designed to address specific challenges I've encountered in my trading journey, providing practical solutions for common trading problems. Regular visitors often find exclusive deals on tools that can enhance your trading effectiveness. Next resource is TradingView platform, available at tradingview.com, the premier charting and analysis platform for Bitcoin traders. TradingView offers advanced charting capabilities, real-time data, and a robust backtesting engine. The free tier provides essential functionality, while premium subscriptions unlock advanced features crucial for serious traders. Next resource is TradingView PineScript community, available at tradingview.com/scripts. It is an invaluable resource for traders looking to expand their strategic arsenal. This community shares custom indicators and strategies, providing inspiration and learning opportunities. I regularly learn from this vibrant community of traders. Next resource is Technical Analysis Education, available at chartschool.stockcharts.com. Chartschool at stockchart.com offers comprehensive education on technical analysis. While not Bitcoin specific, their clear explanation of technical indicators and chart patterns are invaluable for developing your analytical skills. Next resource is CryptoQuant Analytics, available at cryptoquant.com/analytics. This is my go-to resource for on-chain analytics and market intelligence. The free tier provides essential metrics, while the premium service offers deep insights into Bitcoin network health and institutional flows. Next resource is Glassnode Insights, available at insights.glassnode.com. It is excellent for on-chain analysis and market research. Their weekly reports provide valuable context for market movements and trends. The basic metrics are free, with advanced features available through subscription. And next resource is Bitcoin Halving Calendar, available at bitcoinblockhalf.com. It is essential for timing halving-based strategies. This site provides accurate countdown and historical data for Bitcoin halvings. Understanding these cycles is crucial for long-term trading success. And next resource is Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, very important for trading Bitcoin, which is available at alternative.me, link available on the slide. It is a useful sentiment indicator that aggregates multiple market factors. While not a trading signal itself, it provides valuable context for market psychology and potential extremes on the market. And next resource is CoinGecko Bitcoin Dashboard, available at coingecko.com/en/coins/bitcoin. It offers a comprehensive overview of Bitcoin market data, including exchange volumes, market dominance, and development activity. Their transparent volume tracking helps identify reliable trading venues. Now let's review key takeaways from this lesson. Remember, while these resources are valuable, they should complement rather than replace the systematic trading approach outlined in this course. Use them to enhance your understanding and decision-making process, but always maintain discipline in following your chosen strategy. From this lesson, we can learn following key takeaways. These resources provide complementary tools and data for implementing the course's strategies. Regular consultation of multiple resources provide a more complete market picture. Focus on resources that align with your trading timeframe and style. Free tiers often provide sufficient information for most traders. Consider premium subscriptions only after proving their value through consistent use. This is the end of this lesson, and I wish you happy learning and trading.